Go to layers, add a new layer, and then select a brush, change the color to red and hit OK. After that, adjust the size of brush and then paint the lips of the girl. After doing this, go to filter, select blur and Gaussian blur. After that, adjust the radius to 10 and hit OK. After that, change the mode to soft light and change the opacity to 90 and fill to around 96 and press enter. Hit like, follow me for more.
Go to lasso tool, make a selection around the teeth. After that, go to image, adjustment, hue and saturation. Select master to yellows, saturation to minus 97 to 100 and lightness to plus 100 and press OK. Hit like, follow me for more. Go to rectangular marquee tool, make a selection around watermark. After that, Ctrl J and Ctrl I. Go to layer panel, change the mode to color dodge. After that, again Ctrl J to make a copy. Move the copy to any other watermark. Make the adjustment to make it real. Once done, make another copy, Ctrl J and move it to other watermark. Repeat the process until all the watermark be removed. This is the results. Hit likes, follow me for more.
Lasso tool, make a selection around all the watermarks. After doing this, go to select and color range, sample color to shadows and adjust the values and hit OK. Then again go to select, modify, expand by 7 pixels and hit OK. After this, right click and delete and fill selection. So this is the result. And another method is go to edit, content aware fill and hit OK. So Ctrl D to deselect. This is the result. Hit like, follow me.